morning, my dear students. Today is that 4 August of Sunday. Independent Day got on Salatoram Nika. We there. Hanati, Independent Day got see Yana Kayani Irang Tokanba. At the Gumban the Midway Bene, I do not see the Iran Sina. I'm going to go with the Kandika. Let's see. Let's hope that nothing has happened. Not that events has happened. Can total don't think I could become the later voice no car. Said the name. We have discussed up to question number 2. Exercise 8.1 game. Question number 2 about discussion. I do hope that every one of you have understood. Once you understand the trigonometry ratios, it is very easy to understand the questions. Have questions in the Kangmadal when a live atani. Yandaraba. Aduna, high in the Loina Kanganina Satorika. The one most important thing is that trigonometry ratio is to be by heart. Chimpapu with Ebony at the Podragadore. Kangba the Amalo Tokani. Yantaraba, Kangmunga Moyaba. Kangaja, I do not do Kangamanga, no give them together, and I in the piggy bar, Nahan piggy bar to the ratio Starukta, Simpapu with the Venica. Saduna Maratana Kanoma Hayema. Whenever you are facing any exam, as Hanu firing a exam tab said, whatever level that you can do. The Hono with the Venica, the SI Haying. PA1 the colors of her gray, down one that won't honage, and they down one to because Cassator and 8 down to the honage having key. Sigum Bagi can over the lake at the money. A do get the Rampton the stam on the light hopper, down to die and honage canba. The PA1 the cuts Yanita and the Kidja Picao the Gadi, Carton the Matanga Picato honage have. So minor can walk on the Toganuka. She's none of the Karimanga Gamatanda, Haying Hazik Nasap hurrying in the Tagi of Picasa. Sometimes when you face the real exam, examples of Hadikano, Tam to Gumba, the PA to Gumba, face or quantum the Sangam the Dana. Can you pick out how the Bataraga D? Nangi high final exam the count of Matanda, Nangi mark dog, Yaman name whenever. Yandaika, other than that, exam Taba Yaring Matanda, but not town of Honagadabanika. I do not get away, and the Tokiba. Narang Haitokiba exam da, Ningba Kaiba Satra Mayam Yawe, Kayuna Matamda, Makoina exams a light who Uba Haitare. Aim board exam of Hazana Targa Lore. Hosiki get away, Skuna Loba exam ni, other than important Yampano waited light who Ubakanku. Other than that, Narang Bakaito Matamda, Ningba Kaiba Satra Mayam Yawe, Kayuna Matamda, Skuna Logiba exams in the count or Raga, final exam da, Etoxella in Ebuka. Other than that, Haiba Nuaitaba told what was in the talk the Nabugit and the Kedore. Nakoy the housing of the school the conductor river exam sing said. She was an important when Loshal and a Pazapaz and a hollow, Pazapaz and a Catao. Online the over exam buero, Yantarvansa, and the KPA1 you talk with online to Winadra, or to the Marfazana Pangobukangu, the Hay and a finally total of talk matamda. You will get good marks. Other light who Ubi SCD school and over Bekani become a sunny. Other than I have Picasso, what organda, a paragolore, honorable Acontumda, Nang Nahe, other Ponabitan Zap for October. In the Reconsa, when you could Mokudum chat about my lap with the key. Exam to the enema, Patana, my own cell tapping of the targeting, as I give my one tag, you become a hand dog, and the total of Torokan, the number of the marks, it picked up on him. And the Recon, other than that, Tagi exam sing said. I did Maxi underscore to Honabu Honagada. And I got said. Aduna handa ki because they am nuaite question nuaite math ki subject na handa ki son gre ko yengma tamda kaigina matamda mamangi da tawgi khara da gi angang sing se pekha da SC school na low exam ni hada lai thu upagi ko aduma tawbu su khara yaure aduna math ki result yam phasabu wai gi te ngang hai to ko da ko aduna sugumba se ningma kai da na ba ko ju angka gi oza math ki oza mo ru bana ai gi subject ta ma yam wang ningi ko aduna subject Mark one the Bible said, I can send Oza subject Oza which you white of any. Then I do talk to Nabuki the Mutakador and a quite as one Mangzon on a hair holy cigar. A school near Katatoba exam Sama Sabuero, PA Voero, or the town one Poero, at a class test Poero, Bully test Poero, हाइब सिंजे का असन इम्पोर्टेंट पीरगा लाइक तहौना पैखा थाउना बो होनागदबनि का यानी को से सिजगे यंगा जे लाइक मखा तथा जेंगा ये नाउ एवरीवन ओपन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 question number 3 hang tong ro question number 3 da hai che kai ne yanga if sin a is 3/4 they calculate the cos a and the tan a have ni ka sida triangle ki kano p de and da bai sa triangle ki asang ba kari no side sing to kai ke pi ga da karam triangle no khang de ka any triangle ama da side a have sorry sin a have che kai no 3/4 ne pi re bu ka adu ta ga man hang is na kai no cos a ga tan a ga hang ka aduna kamai tau sige ma exercise 8.1 question number 3 da given the period kai no sin a is equal to sin of angle a is 3/4 then ai ka hang is na kai no to find cos a and tan of angle a sini ko hang isa adu yo ai na hari basing singara hot ki bada kai dawi we need to know the what are the length of the side of the triangle natra triangle du ki side ahum si khanga ma tun da ko si putok pa ya ba natra ne adu duna si triangle ma consider tawar se wa hekta triangle ma hekta ek se lagi hoga C A hiring color C B hiring color C hiring color C and sine of angle A this angle sin you consider to this natra aduna yanga the solution da like say we knew that kaina kari khange sine of angle A ji kari ne hai ba opposite side to angle A divided by another hypotenuse. Then ka this is the p is the kind of here sin A is how much 3/4 p re natra 3/4 p re therefore sin kai hoire opposite side hoire by opposite side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. अब p की वजह कहीं नहीं है it is a ratio नहीं का ratio हमने कही है we know that it has a common factor ना था we also knew that every ratio has a common factor sida koina common factor je koina kaine lo sel si ke tn lo ra si aduduna ke dali no it is numerator like tra sa aduna then opposite side se kana ga manarani opposite side to angle A it will be twice k and then hypotenuse will be this will be how much 4k and sima hangi ga masing je soi da brana khali soi de ga price a 3/4 to make the there adu de ga sigi figures de nga si opposite to angle A is which one BC natra BC is price k so then hypotenuse is 4k then like that adi ani se ge bole kai khange ga now we have the two sides of the triangle amai side ani phange ga adai ahun two side bu dokpa yaroidra yani kai dauraga Lakshmi ke dora pudok yai by using yes Pythagoras theorem natra nimitita khangi ka aduna by using Pythagoras theorem kai dodeba hypotenuse square is equal to sikana dona se in right triangle ABC right angle at right away ba B da sigan dai ka aduna AC square is equal to kana lere AB square plus AC square. Yan dai ko sa. Okay, si bo ana silo. Ni ka mu pakata si ka. Ni ngo. Ti yang ma je si bo sila ma ni na makata je ngo. Now you replace those value. Ka, masing sinta sinjalo. Kaya na yung siya mo. AC is kaya na hai ba? AC is 4k, therefore it will be 4k whole square. Yan tayo ka. Then AB khamdre, ABC thambiro dum. BC is how much? This will be thrice k whole square. Sige tayo bra. Wasinta kaya tayo ko siya. Pero tadi yung 4k is how much? 16k square AB square plus this will be how much? 9k square. See can tara ba? Listen sidi ke daurani see AB is one thambi daurani 9k has to be transferred ka to the other side. So kaya lihar dia no 16k square minus 9k square will be equal to AB square. So 16 minus 9 is how much? 7k square will be equal to AB square. So AB will be how much? It will be square root of 7k square plus minus. So we will be considering only the positive. Therefore, it will be 7 root over k. In the now, we have all the three sides of the triangle. Triangles ki side hum loina phange na dra. And side hum joloi khang targadi bigando ke dorani we can find whatever the question is asked ka. Question na hangisli khumba yarani. Karamana cos A bu oiro, tan A bu oiro, sec A bu oiro kainama hangudum khumba yarani na dra. Ang sai mana kari hangre cos ka tan ka hangi bana dra. Adi cos A puthora cheng ka. Then cos A is kai ne hai ba kana ki ratio ne hai ba. Malenga bi kana ki ratio ne hai ba. Janita kana ki no. Yes. Kai ne hai ba cos A. Cos A is adjacent side to angle A divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is which one? Karamano? This will be AB. Hypotenuse is which one? AC. So AB is how much you got? Root over 7k. AC is how much? 4 root over k. So k get cancelled. So what is remaining? Root over 7 by 4 is the value of cos A. Yan tayo ka? Bindiya yan tayo po si ba? Kangi ka? Okay then, mathanda kana lere tan of angle A. Tan of angle A is kedawe hai ba opposite side to angle A divided by adjacent side to angle A. So opposite side to angle A is how much? BC. Adjacent is this one? AB. So replacing the value thrice k whole divided by root over 7k. So k get cancelled. So what is remaining? 3 by root over 7. Clear? See any second like that. Okay, now copy down. Second tabang amiga. Okay, next. Once you clear this, read the question number 4. जो तुम्हारा question number 4 पारो यंगा सिमुथा लगेगा 4 से हिन्ना दे पीगे अदुदुगा होमांग तौरप्रिनी का सीधी हम लाइव बने अब जी की तुका सम्मा नहीं का So question number 4 is question number 4. Given the periodic arena 15 cot A is equal to A. पुथोगदबना कनानो sine of angle A and sec of angle A. Same, huh? It will be given as a homework. It was some money. The guy of the name I gave up. Solution the 15 cot of angle A. Sorry. Cot of angle A is equal to 8. So cot A will be equal to 8 by 15. And the cot se kari nahi hai ba. Cot se kari nahi ki ba. Adjacent by opposite na tra. The adjacent just study kana lagi ho. This will be cot A. We knew that kari nahi hai ba sa. Cot A is adjacent to angle A divided by opposite to angle A. Clear? अब तब से क्या ले रही है हम? Adjacent कर्म side में से angle A is here, so this will be AB and this will be BC. So cot A is how much? 8 by 15. This will be AB upon BC. सही common में ना अजिलो गिव दो का common factor मन लगी है लौसल नहीं common factor लौसल का ना क्या दौड़ नहीं तो दे बा K की सही तो बस side में ले मुद्रा memory बुद्धि लो सीना करना हुआ नहीं AB will be 8K वैरा नहीं this will be 15K वैरा नहीं तो बस ये बुधवारा नहीं है नहीं का अभी बुधवार की बुधवार का तो दुकान में खाओ था करना तो जब मस्ती है रोइद्रा है नहीं का Mickey hay otro si pa something an ba hay ni Alex ya ko to dia ngamni ko si ma okay si man ko homework toro si bok silo to makata ba to ko no sena ba ka ya ko to dia now question number 5 question number 5 is yung sab mani sidana ama katang piraga atopa lemhori manga do putu wa bani ka yung question number 5 ta kaya ni yung siya question number 5 given the period carry now sec theta is equal to 13 by 12 angina carry now all other trigonometric ratios ratios ni kana hoy na emol mga do hoy na tra taruk na tra kan trigonometric ratios le isa taruk to ge manung da ama katang pira me na tra di le emol mga do putu hai bani ka adu di no sida theta ha do pose this symbol is called theta ka adu theta ji side to law chala su yare sida law su yai ka let's take here asa ko ni e dum law hu duna sida law chala ji ka adu di no solution da tailor se we have sec theta this will be 13 by 12 so we knew that when the community now sec of angle theta is how much kaya hai ki ba hypotenuse by kana ke ratio ne hai ki ke adjacent side to angle theta sinatra Sumika, and the secretary is the canane man piri se 13 by 12 pire, hypotenuse si figure is the canano, AC pire, as a sense in the canapiraba, AB. Then we knew that every ratio has a common factor. Common factor is the K lower sige ko na. Let's take K. K lower sika. The AC will be equal to 13K and AB will be equal to 12K. And then Pythagoras is in a row. By Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle ABC, the AC is equal to AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is how much? 13K whole square. AB is 12K whole square plus BC square. So 13 square is 169K whole square, 144K whole square plus BC square. And then what's that? Kasi book sila. Yung makamota siya nga. Yan atra sima. At lagi yung kay dargi nga. Ay si sa side home tika tali ko putok to siya. Makatawa shoulder na ko yung hosa doon yung ka. Now what you have? BC solve kambira mo. Di kanalin already 169K whole square minus 144K whole square is equal to BC square. So 169 minus 144 is 25K square equal to BC square. So taking square root on both sides, what do we have? Plus minus 5K will be equal to BC. So BC will be 5K equal to. Then there goes that. Now we have all the three sides. BC is 5K. This is 13K. This is 12K. Then there you go. So you get the organ. Man, hangulip to pay aradra. Then sine of angle theta would be kaineba opposite by kanano hypotenuse. Sinatra. Then opposite is here how much? BC upon AC. This will be BC is 5K. AC is 13K. So K get cancelled. So what is remaining? 5 by 13. Yan ko siya. Sikhangan ka. Sumay daw na day putok pa himetra. Cos of angle theta, tan of angle theta, then kanawa laure cosec of angle theta, sec this there ka. Sec is already given. So cot of angle theta. So na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 se putok one. Ay ni ka. Yani ko dia. Sige lemhori ba maris man ako ilo salo. Yani ka. Hangani ka. Ano dia no? Okay, Sibuana Silok. Yaradrengo. Si Makagi se, Sashin may yaw ka. Ano na si yaw dress yare. Nga, Sibuk yan tabre nga. Sibuk Silok. Yare ko to dia. Nga. Masih gitu sih dulu selesai. Yang terbaik sih. Atau aina muka na hari ko kari hari school na conductor apa exam masa wagera sa wagera be serious way na pujana pe khat haga da ko hojik lai ba conditions na kari were kani koi hai bangam de ko school na pe khat ha ba yarak ta ba yang dai ko hai board exam su conductor pe ai tor to be ai ko aduna hojik school na lori pe khat sing de ke hai oi na total up tor ko doi ni aduna school na lori pe exam sing se aduna Kanta na ka, azuna mamuta na kauna pa pick up azuna thauna mo na gadaw ni ka. Yare ka to de. Parenga, masigi dis talo shala se, hayang mo thengna si ka. Then bye bye, see you all in the next class. Goodbye.